Alright, just finished installing the KENWOOD STZ RF200WD motorcycle dash camera, front and rear. Pretty easy to do on a Tenere. I won't go through how I just assembled it, but my Tenere is here. I've got the front camera just underneath, with a GPS on the side, and the controls is that button there, blue and orange. Once you start it up, nothing there. Press that for 3 seconds. We've got a blue and orange. Now the blue is constant and the orange one should go off. There we go, and that's recording. As soon as you start your bike up and away you go, it'll constantly record. So that is there. All the wiring is being followed. The other wiring down there along the side, here to the control unit, which is there. It doesn't fit at the back there because of the seat. I've just got to tidy all that up as best I can. There's not much room to stick the main brains of it. You have your positive and negative, which go to your positive and negative, and then there's the yellow wire which goes to a constant. I've tapped mine into the blue wire for the brake light with constant power. So once I turn the bike off, the camera goes off. So that's there we go. I just turned it off and the power's off, so you're not going to drain your battery. Now I'm no expert, this is what I've done. If it works for you, all well and good. Don't blame me if your bike goes AWire, but as I said, I'm no auto electrician or anything like that, but that's how I've done mine. Do that at your own risk. It seems to be working. Mounted the rear camera just at the back there. Unfortunately there's no really good places to mount it at the minute, unless I get a some sort of rear rack or anything like that. So, but yeah, that'll do for the time being. Unfortunately I had to drill into the rear there, but yeah, that's what it is. Seems to work alright. I will try and post videos when I get to go for a ride once the weather finds up. Alright, thanks.